All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I got something pretty cool from FocusWorks EDC. These guys sent me over this F2 flashlight to check out and just share my impressions with you. So thank you guys for sending along this beauty. I have to say, I'm impressed. First of all, this thing is made in Canada, and I'm pretty proud of that. These guys are local, pretty close to me. They are on Vancouver Island, from Seashell, BC, and they are making pretty much all this stuff in-house. So packaging is also pretty cool. You get this tube with a little bit of information, a nice drawing over there. But most of all, you get your F2 flashlight. So let's just quickly check the measurements, because you get 21 millimeters in diameter, and you get much like 103 millimeters, so 10 centimeters for the length. We're gonna quickly check the weight of this fella. It's it's a small light, 74 grams. This is the aluminum version, and it is bright. That's for sure. It has a 14,500 lithium-ion battery, Samsung LED. It's crazy. It has a Q-Light driver. The aluminum body is, in this case, is gunmetal blue. The clip is titanium, so pretty sturdy. A little bit of strong retention. It is a pretty cool one, I have to say. I am not like huge on flashlights. I'm more like into knives and fidget toys, but I know how to recognize a pretty cool light, and this is one of those, because when you hold this in your hand, is the feel, it just got me. The finish is kind of soft. I mean, this very, very subtle stone wash finish, I don't know if you can appreciate from the video, is just gorgeous to the touch. This thing feels amazing in the hand. I mean, for my hand, it's just great. It's super light. Like, this thing is very, very bright and light and compact and sleek. It's really well designed. So from a design point of view, I'm just gonna say my 2 cents right over here. I find a clip that is a little bit too tight, and it's not to my liking, just the design. It's pretty functional. You see the entrance and exiting ramp are well designed. Just the look. I'm not like fond of this look, because I don't think it goes well with the lines of the light. But you know what? I'm not like a clip guy for the light, so I'm just gonna probably ditch this thing. Maybe find like 2 little screws to fill those holes, and that's it. And this is a very cool design. Look at the deeply engraved logo, FocusWorks, with the 3 arrows. So this thing, of course, opens up right over here. You have an O-ring right there. You have your rechargeable battery, which is good to have. And this thing, guys, screws in very, very nicely, I have to say. And it's very easy to operate. You have a button, a covered button with some soft rubbery. You can just press, and it's gonna cycle through the different intensity of lights, or you can just do a hard press in that intensity, and just it's gonna stay there, right? So very simple operation. In my case, it gets really, really bright. With 5,000 K, it's gonna light up the room 100%. So it's a pretty cool one, really, guys. I'm not going too technical into what's gonna be in the guts of this fella. You can check out the specs on their website at FocusWorksEDC.com. They are pretty cool, guys. These lights are running in the $185 range, so which is not that bad if you consider the amount of work it goes into this thing. It's kind of like, we're talking about custom level kind of light for a production level price. So impressive, guys. Check these fellas out, because they do some good work. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.